Morning, ladies and gentlemen. I got a number of emails from some people asking how do we find the degree, and after looking at the video I realized that that was an omission that I forgot, so I apologize. So here is how we're going to find a degree measure in a right triangle when we're only given the sides. So we take a look at the right triangle that I have up here on the board. In this, we're finding the angle, it just says x degrees, and we have one leg at 7 and the hypotenuse at 9. Now in this case, the leg that we're given is the opposite, and the hypotenuse would then say that we should use the sine of this angle to find what the degrees would be. So the first step in this setup would simply be to say the sine of x is equal to 7 over 9, or the opposite over the hypotenuse, trigonometric ratio that we talked about in our other video. So now, in order for us to find that, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to find the inverse sine of the ratio. So the sine of the degree gives us the ratio. The inverse sine of the ratio gives us the degree. So what we would do then is we would say that x is equal to the inverse sine. On your calculators it looks like this, sine to the -1 of 7/9. So if you punch that into your calculator, you're going to hit sine to the -1, or the inverse sine. They'll give you a parenthesis, and then it's just 7 divided by 9, or 7/9 as a fraction. And what that will give us then is our final answer, which would be about, and I say about because the decimal will run on, but we're going to generally round to the nearest degree, would be about 51 degrees. So again, anytime you are looking to find an angle measure, you're going to use one of the inverse trigonometric ratios to find that degree measure. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit more as far as what we're doing with it. And again, I apologize for not including this in the other video. All right, Lord's blessings on your day, you guys. We'll talk to you soon.